Welcome to YISD Hour of Code Week, Minecraft Garden Tilling. Today we're going to make a garden using our coding agent. So let me open up the code. I'm going to start a new project. And I'm going to call this one, of course, Garden. Alright, here we go. Of course, the onStart is where my program is going to live. But I'm going to start with a function. And remember, a function is a series of things that I can put into my program that are going to happen over and over again. So I'm going to call this one till row. All right, now I'm going to go up to my agent and I'm going to move him forward. And I'm also going to make him till. I'm going to make him till forward and then I'm going to have him move forward. And I want him to do this a series of times, of course. But I also need to have him teleport to me. So that goes to the first step of the program is he's going to teleport to where I am. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a new function. Because if I'm going to make a row, he's going to need to turn around and go the other way. So we're going to make him turn right. Now in turn right, I'm going to go back to my agent. And I'm going to put in a turn. I'm going to change it from left to right because it's turn right. Go back to my agent again. And I'm going to make him till in front of him. And then I'm going to make him turn to the right again. Now that's going to make him go on the same line. So I'm going to need to also make him move forward by a step. So I'm going to put that one right underneath the till. So he's going to turn right, he's going to till, then he's going to move forward and turn right again. All right, I'm going to go back down to function, and now I'm going to make a turn left, because we have to alternate, otherwise he'll make circles. All right, turn left, and put that one right here, and I'm going to do the same thing, except it's going to say turn left instead of turn right. So we're going to put in a turn left. All right. We're going to make a move forward. I'm just going to go ahead and put that one in here because it was right there. I'm going to go down to the till, put that one underneath the turn left, and I have one more turn left that goes down here at the bottom. So he turns left, he's going to till forward, he's going to move forward, and then he's going to till left again. All right, so I'm ready to start putting my program in here, except for one thing. I don't want him to till a row just one. So we're going to make a loop right over here on the till row. And we're going to make a row of, instead of 4, let's change that to 5. So let me go in here and change this to 5. So now he is going to till 5 spots in a row. All right, now start calling these functions. So after he teleports, he's going to till a row. Then he's going to turn right. Then he's going to till a row again. Okay. And then, of course, this time he's going to turn left because we do need to alternate. All right. So that means he's going to do 2 rows. So we're going to make a loop for this one. Put this up here. And I'm going to leave it on 4. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to have him do a total of 8 rows. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Go ahead and push play. And here he is. He's tilling the rows. So that way I can start my garden. Now one thing my agent can't do is he can't plant the seeds. He's not able to do that. But I can. So I'm going to plant all these seeds. Now you notice that some of the ground looks different. There's a couple of squares there that look different. Once that ground starts to do that, I can't plant a seed there. It's like it becomes hard. So I'm going to plant all around those strange looking squares. And I'm also going to add a water source. So I dug a trench over here on the side. I'm going to put some water on this side. And I'm also going to put some water on this side. So that way my plants will have a water source and they'll be able to grow. And you'll see they are already starting to get the water and they're going to start to grow bigger. And just for fun, I'm going to put a fence around my garden. And hopefully my garden will start to grow nice and big. And these, by the way, these are pumpkin seeds. Thank you for watching.